Well, my first print didn't turn out so well. Half a head. And he's a little crooked down there. It's all user error. I did it. The belt had a little slack in it. I decided, of course, on a little bit of bad judgment, to tighten it up while it was printing. Well, that little tightening made it a little crooked. Threw its little measuring thingamajigger off in there, and yeah. And then I left it unattended, and my cheap little spool of crap it came with kind of bound up on there, and so it quit feeding. I ended up with half a head. Guess it's no different than a lot of other things around here. Half head. But on the bright side, it might be useful. Let's see. Look at there. This thing came with some tools. Now I have a tool holder for the tools. How about that? Huh. Having half a head's not so bad after all.